We are looking for new ideas how to get Silverstripe more famous in Europe.
Svima nama je zapravo uvijek dobro istražiti sve nove mogućnosti koje su na tržištu, pogotovo na open source područjima, tako da Silverstripe je nešto novo čim se mi susrećemo, ali svakako ima aspekata na razini sigurnosti.
I'm here to make friends, to network, to share ideas and to learn something new.
I mi radimo za akademsku instituciju u Hrvatskoj. Testiramo nove tehnologije, istražujemo i pružamo im i tehnološku podršku kao i znanje i sigurnost. Iz tog aspekta sam danas tu da vidim što zapravo na ovoj konferenciji možemo saznati.
I think the whole experience is really unique because there are a lot of fantastic talks and it's always an experience to talk to every speaker and everyone who's taking part of it.
Really excited about the OpenAI translation of the Finnish guys. And in general, I'm just curious to hear from Silverstripe, about the future, the product roadmap.
I like the AI talk about translating the languages. And of course the 3D model for the offices. That was a fun one, just a new way to use Silverstripe.
I like everything. The organization is just perfect. It's just very professional.
Meeting other people, talking to developers and product owners and company leaders.
The dragon quality that I use the most at work is courage.
Gatekeeper for developers not doing stupid stuff.
Being peaceful and sleeping and not roaring as much at the people I work with.
I just love it here. The venue is great, I like the people, and the spectacular party.